Hi students, welcome to our channel Study with Posarla. Today I came with another new problem. Simplify 7 power x minus 2 divided 7 cube equal to 5th root 7 power 10. Okay. So x 7 power x minus 2, a power m minus n equal to formula a power m by a power n. Okay. So 7 power x minus 2, right? 7 power x by 7 power 2 divided 7 cube. Okay. Equal to 5th root 7 power 10. Okay. So 7 power x by 7 power 2 divided 7 cube. It means 7 cube equal to 5th root of 7 power 10. 7 power x by a power m into a power n. A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. 7 power x by 7 power 2 plus 3. 7 power 5. You can open this. Then you can write 7 power 10 whole power 1 by 5. 5 1 jar, 5 2 jar. 7 power x equal to 7 power 5 equal to 7 square. So cross multiplication, 7 power x equal to 7 square into 7 power 5. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 power 7. 7 power x equal to 7 power 7. So x equal to 7. For more videos, like, share and subscribe.